Welcome back to One Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Homeseekers account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Homeseekers login. Once you press enter, you will see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then you'll get to this login page. On this page, if you don't have an account, you can register for now by clicking on this button or this button. And if you already do have an account, go ahead and enter your email address. After that, enter your password. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to reset it. And if you don't have an email address, you can click on this link to get one. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials, then click on the login button. Once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.